Ethereum is predicted to reach $1,414 in my right eye by October 3rd, 2022. Could this happen? Could this start the bull run to end 2022? Let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, Ethereum price is expected to rise 8.17% in the next 5 days, according to Ethereum price prediction. Now, look at this. According to our Ethereum price prediction, Ethereum is expected to reach a price of $1,414 by October 3rd, 2022. This will represent a 8.17% price increase for Ethereum of the next 5 days. Now today, I'm going to go back up here. Price of Ethereum is trading around $1,300 after losing negative 6.61% in the last 24 hours. The coin underperformed the crypto market, the cryptocurrency market, as a total crypto market cap decreased by 5.03% in the same time period. Now, Ethereum performed really poorly against BTC, which is Bitcoin, today, and recorded a 0.128% negative loss against the world's largest cryptocurrency. But a price prediction saying $1,114.62 by October 3rd, we could see Ethereum rising much higher, or at least a little bit higher, coming up. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Thank you for watching ClearCryptos YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.